Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to take a screenshot without button on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so if you are still taking screenshot by pressing the power button and volume button simultaneously, then you should immediately abandon this old method because I have another alternative for taking a screenshot without any button. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now we can start the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first is now you can swipe down to go to control center, and over there you can find the menu screenshot. You can click and then the screenshot will taken and you don't have any button to take a screenshot. Okay, the second tutorial, now you can go to settings menu. Now you can scroll down and you can click on additional settings, and then you can click gesture shortcut, and then now you can click on the menu take a screenshot, and then you can activate slide three fingers down. And then now you can slide three fingers down to take a screenshot, so you don't have to press any button to take a screenshot. Alright guys, here's the tutorial. And thank you so much for watching guys. Bye!